Mama needs a moment. As I said before, the roads here are a little treacherous.
They're very treacherous.
But they're fun.
For some people. Anyway, we're in Panzano.
Mm-hmm.
And we're just going to walk around and see what's here. The town's kind of become famous from the famous butcher, Dario. The guy with the mustache, you guys probably know
Yes.
who he is.
I was waiting for you to attempt to say the name.
It starts with the C. C. I don't even know what it is. It's like C-E-E. I don't even know what it is. But you know who he is. He's the famous butcher. He's been on I'll Have What's Phil's Having. Anyway, he's actually Martina, the lady that does the maps for us, her stepdad too. So anyway, we're just going to kind of walk around. He has a food truck. We might have that for lunch. And yeah, so it should be a fun day.
It should be fun.
This is one of his little shops. Isn't that cool? This old building is red, white striped. Up the hill we go. So we just went to a little food truck. I got the hamburger.
Pastrami.
Brian got the pastrami. It's gonna be a lot of food.
Someone's got a food baby.
Yep.
Sorry. So we just got back from Panzano. Had a nice little trip, nice little town. We had lunch at Dario Cecchini's food truck right on the edge of town at a very scenic overlook, which was a lot of fun. Went into the church at the top of the hill in the city center. So it's a little tiny place.
There's not much to see or do.
Yeah, there's a few shops. There's a gelato place that we didn't go to because we were kind of full. I had a pastrami. You had a nice big size burger.
Big burger.
Yeah.
You could easily split it.
Yeah. So yeah.
It was probably the best burger I've ever had. And it was not expensive. Like my burger was €6 and I think your pastrami sandwich was $7. Just get there a little bit before noon because it gets busy at noon. And there's a little park. I think people don't know there's a little park if you're facing the food truck to the right with benches and stuff. So you can sit there. There's lots of shade. You're in like a little olive grove, which is really nice. So these small towns, there's not a ton to see and do. So if you're looking for a lot to do, they're probably not what you're looking for.
It was relaxing, but it was not like
there's 10 things on your
there
list.
wasn't like 40 different stores. If you're coming here to shop, you're gonna be done quick. But it was still very relaxing. We sat at a few points and just kind of,
it's very picturesque.
you see the whole valley. So it's gorgeous, very pretty. So alrighty, so we're gonna freshen up, and then we're going to go to a wine tasting at our B&B. Because they make their own wines, and we're going to do that, and then we're going to have dinner a little bit later. Back down in the same town where we came from. So the driving
is not good for me. It's like
all
the way up and all the way down. And
a lot of switchbacks, a lot of little tiny
narrow roads.
A lot of praying that another big truck doesn't kind of come out of nowhere at you. But, you know, it's 10 minutes of your life getting up the hill. It might seem like an hour, but it's okay.
If you get car sick, you can't do this. Yeah. Like, I don't get car sick, but this is making me super anxious.
So we're going to go relax,
have
some wine, and we're going to go back down.
Yeah.
So anyhow,
all right.
Have a good night.
Thanks. So sometimes this happens when we're trying to share things. And they just bring it all out, but that's fine.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
We'll